Your landlord's insurance does not cover your stuff, not your laptop, not your furniture, not the $3,000 worth of clothes in your closet. And if someone gets hurt in your apartment and sues you, that landlord's policy won't cover that either. Most Minnesota renters have no idea this gap exists until it's too late. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Minnesota renters insurance covers, how much it actually costs, what most renters get wrong, and how to get a quote in about 3 minutes. This isn't complicated stuff, but it matters. Minnesota is not an easy place on rental property. Winter brings burst pipes and water damage. Spring and summer, we're talking tornadoes and hail. Minnesota gets hit with severe weather more often than most states. And when that happens, your belongings are at risk. I see this all the time in my agency. Someone has a water damage claim in January, and suddenly they're looking at 15 grand in losses with zero coverage. A standard renter's policy covers three main things. First, your personal property, furniture, electronics, clothes, all of it, from fire, theft, vandalism, and weather damage. Second, liability protection. Someone slips in your apartment or you cause damage to their stuff, your policy covers the legal costs and the damages. Third, if your place becomes unlivable from a fire or major water damage, the policy pays for your hotel, your meals, everything until you can move back in. Most policies also let you add extra coverage for high-value items like jewelry or musical instruments. The average renter in Minnesota owns between $20,000 and $30,000 worth of stuff. Your electronics alone, phone, laptop, tablet, TV, that's probably 5 grand right there. Add furniture, clothes, kitchen stuff, and you're easily 20 grand. If a fire happens tomorrow and you have no renter's insurance, you're replacing all of that out of pocket. Most people don't have that money sitting around. Here's what I see renters get wrong constantly. They think renter's insurance is expensive. It's not. The average Minnesota renter pays between $12 and $20 a month for solid coverage. That's less than a couple of coffees. People skip it thinking they'll save money. And then one incident costs them everything. Don't be that person. If you're renting in Minnesota and you don't have coverage, you need it. Head to the link in the description. Go to my agency website and get a quote. Takes about 3 minutes. We're licensed across Minnesota and several surrounding states, and we work with American Family Insurance to get you real coverage at a fair price.